Thanks for tuning into the 6th episode of the Compare series, where we are comparing the TT02 variants. Today we're going to hit the track with the Basic TT02, this is Miyama, and with the TT02R. We'll do a couple of laps. I have my GNSS unit installed on the body so that we can actually get a speed read from them. And then I did put the sport tune motor into the TT02R with speed gearing, just so we can get some data. Alright guys, follow along. We ran the TT02R, the TT02 Basic, both with this body style here. Ran them till we broke them. We also ran the first try TT02, which is also just a stock TT02. And believe it or not, the tires actually worked a lot better on the first try TT02. And I think it might have something to do with having a full-size battery in it and the extra weight. The tires and the body setup on the Zakspeed Capri kit actually make the car understeer really badly. So it's very easy to drive, but it's also very easy to drive through your corner and crash. Just pop the ball out. So we're going to see if we can get that fixed up and do some more testing. But I'm going to throw up some of the laps next. You guys enjoy. Okay, I've got everything loaded back up into the Basic TT02. I have my GNSS unit attached to the roof of the body, since I'm going to be using this body throughout all the testing. Just makes it a little bit easier. It might live there forever now. Who knows? This is back to box stock gearing. Alright, yeah, it's reading. So let's take this out to the track, do a couple laps, and see what we get. And this is a box stock TT02, friction shocks, regular out of the box gearing, nothing special. The Zakspeed Capri as it comes out of the box. Alright, well my camera overheated, but I switched over to my phone camera. We got 21 miles per hour out of it. This is the TT02R with the speed gearing in it, and I got my GNSS unit in it. We're going to do some speed testing and compare it to the stock gearing in the TT02 with a torque tuned motor. Understeer City. 21 miles per hour out of it with the regular gearing and 24 miles per hour out of it out of the speed gearing. They're both torque tuned motors with the same HW1060 RTR ESC that comes in the kits and the same torque tuned motor. Alright, I got the pack topped off. I've got the motor, the sport tuned Tamiya. It's all on the TT02R with the speed gearing. I'm just going to set my GNSS, go lay it down, run a couple of laps, get that started. It's reading. Alright. That's a good time over here at the Strickland RC Park. RC Raceway. Plenty of pit area. You got porta potties, they got power for all the pits. Pretty nice driving stand over there. Seems like their most popular class is the NASCAR class. That's alright. Alright, well, that seems significantly faster. We'll see. The motor's pretty toasty coming off the track, so we'll take a look at that. I don't have any kind of temperature reading device here. But after I get you guys the speed, I'm shutting it down here. It's hot. Okay. The TT02R with the sport tune motor and the speed gearing. It's actually the 68 tooth spurt, so it's not the top speed gearing, but it is a speed gearing compared to the regular box TT02 gearing. We got 27 miles an hour. Okay, well, I guess that concludes the first half of the comparison series, which is the box stock TT02 to the TT02R. So soon I'm going to be building the TT02 Type SRX, and then I'm going to be building something a little bit different, a little bit special, but it's still, in my opinion, a box stock car. So make sure you like and subscribe, follow along so that you can go ahead and see the rest of these episodes. Alright guys, have a good weekend. Peace. Yeah. Believe me, you'll be glad there's not more. At least the arms on the bottom. All right, that's probably good with that one.
Is this enough?
Yeah.
Where's the other car?
That's over there in the end.
Well, that car works a lot better than this one.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. Isn't it crazy?
It's those tires.
Yeah, it's definitely those tires. Yeah, it pushes super bad. And I gotta realign it or something, because but it looks cool. It does, yeah, that's some straightaway speed. And it's stable when it's trimmed good. It does drive a lot better with regular touring car tires on it, but it still needs a little help. Yeah, I know, I need to maybe put some softer springs in the front. Of course, it's also on friction. Well, they're both the same car.
It wouldn't be bad if you get that gigantic push out of it.
Yeah, it's really bad. That might be from having the shorty pack in it.
I'm just whipping it around the corner.
No, I know. I was power sliding it too. That's about the only way to get it around the corners.
Yeah.
It's